Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to get started with Lottie Animation in your Android app. So before we start, we should know what is Lottie. So Lottie is a tool that generates the JSON-based animation file which can be easily imported to iOS, Android, Flutter, web application, and even more. So there is a tool given by the Lottie where you have to design the animation. Now, as of now, we are not going to design any animation. We will be using the already existing one which has been created by the artist from all over the world. We can see this is the official website of the Lottie where we can find around thousands of free Lottie animation which we can use in our app. So we can see how the cool animations are. I will give this link in the description. You can check. There are many animations you can find here and which is completely free. You can use it anywhere. And the most interesting part of this Lottie animation is there will be a single file. Suppose you want this animation, then you have to just download this JSON file. And the same JSON file you have to use in your Android app, in your iOS app, in your Flutter app, in your web app, in your React, anywhere. The file will be the same. That's the most interesting part. So let's go ahead with the tutorial. Today we will be using this simple animation and let's download the file, the JSON file of the animation. Choose a place anywhere in your desktop and just save it. Cool, now we got the file. Let's go to the Android Studio and create a new Android project. So I have created one. Now go to the app Gradle. I don't know what I have clicked here. Yeah. Now go to the app Gradle and here we have to integrate the Lottie dependency. You will get this from here. Now click on the sync now to download the Gradle dependency for the Lottie. It's done. Now we have to create a raw directory. Why we have to create the raw directory? Because we have to import the JSON Lottie JSON file into our project. So as of now, since this is a new project, there is no raw directory under the resource. So we need to create one. So go to the new, now go to the folder. Now here you will find the option raw resources folder. Click on that, click finish. Now you can see we got the raw folder under the resource directory. Now we have to simply drag and drop our JSON file into our Android and it should be under the raw folder which we have created just now. It will take a while. Now we can see here our Lottie JSON file is available inside our project. That's good. Now let's move to the UI part. Just remove this text view and copy paste this thing. I will explain you. No need to worry. Control A, Control V. Here we can see this is the Lottie animation view, which you have to copy. This is given by the Lottie. Now you can give any ID to this view, and here we have to give the path of the Lottie file which we want to use. So that can be given like this. Jetpack girl dot. I don't think so. We have to give JSON. Okay, now we are getting some error. Let's try to figure it out. What is this? Before that, let's make a clean build. Okay, guys, so we have to solve this error. The error is okay, we are using dash that is not supported by the XML. So let's rename it. Now you can see no error now. Just simply try to run the app. At this stage, we should be able to see our animation. Cool, the animation is working. So this is the basic tutorial of Lottie animation in your Android app. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.